Hey guys, Gary Studer here. Welcome to my channel, Just Talk. And today I'm going to be doing a time-lapse video of me putting together this NavePoint 15u wall mount rack that's going to be housing all of my home network equipment. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram, I could be found at Gary with 2 R's, S Studer. So without further ado, let's get this thing put together. Okay, now that we have everything unboxed, which let me tell you, somebody went crazy with the shrink wrap on all this stuff, but we did get it unboxed, so let's continue. Okay guys, I finally finished putting this thing together. It took me a little bit longer than what I thought it was going to take me, but that's okay. Sometimes instructions you have to read over 2, 3, 4, 5 times before you actually understand them. So what I did is I left the back cover off so I could get to the back of the equipment when I go to plug it in. And I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to go ahead and put it on when I'm done, just because I like to get some airflow flowing through here. But if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And my next video that I'll be releasing will be me putting in the cloud plates, the power strip, and the UDM Pro. So on that note, I hope to see you on the next video. Until then, see you later.